This video will highlight how to bulk change details in the student record. In the Users tab of Pulse, begin by filtering your user type to students. Next, use the multi-select box to select your students. Once this is complete, you can select the Bulk Update Users button. Any field that can be changed will populate here. Use the edit icon to change the specifics. You can clear out a change by clicking the X. The Edit All fields will open up all fields to be edited at one time. You must change all of these fields or clear out the X for the items you do not want to change. An open X cannot be there when you're ready to edit. You can also reset all fields to close them all. So a tip, if you're only changing one or two fields, it's more ideal to click the edit and then make the adjustment. You will use the drop-down menus or the fill-in fields accordingly. Click Save when you are complete with all desired updates. The Are You Sure summary will provide you with a confirmation on number of records and the field you are changing or fields. Once you review this, click Yes or No. Yes, confirming the changes. Like with any bulk import or change, please allow 24 hours for your records to be approved. Thank you for watching this video from the desk of PD.